Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, that was big. Yep. Fuck, that was... Yep, got him. He's... Stupid fish. Stupid fish. Stupid fish. Alright. So, first up what I'm throwing a timber lure I made. It's got a bit of feathers on it, so it's sort of a bit of action in the water from the feathers. And sort of just paddles along. Gonna be giving this a go. Hayden's got just a plastic paddler, just a normal. He's got a joy crawler on Gamecraft. Sort that out the way for you guys. And we'll see if we can catch a fish. It's cold. Yep, got him. He's good. He's like a 60. Yep. Good way to start the morning. Let's go. Come on. Come here. God, you hit it. He's alright. He's alright. On the timber lure. How good's that? Come here, bud. Oh. He's like a 50, 60. He's not a bad fish. Come here, bud. Crazy things. He's probably like mid-60s. Just a little fish, but hey, starting to get the day started. Starting to get back into fishing, that's what it is. How cool is that? Nice little fish. How cool is that? Get in there. Sometimes I like to pop it and kind of just twitch it in the same spot, you know. I think there's a fish there. I'll do that, and then I'll just do a slow retrieve back with pauses. Just to see. You never know. Chuck it back in. Let it sit for a second. And then I'll just pop it. Something different. Up against the rocks maybe. Yep, got him that time. Oh, he did a little jump for me.
I saw that.
That was cool. He's only little. You never know, might be another one in there somewhere. That was a bit of a small fish, but that was funny. Nothing. Oh well, that was good. Oh, it's cold. It's very cold. What is this screen looking like? Any droplets? Pretty good to me. Whew. Geez, the hair's looking a bit bad now. Bit of slime through it, give it a gel. Oh, let's see if we can get a long hole now. You're up. He's shuffling. Oh, Jesus. I'm going backwards now. Oh, that was a really big fish. That was a really big fish. Fuck, that was massive, dude. Come back. Fuck. That was like a 70, 80. That was big. Bastard missed it. Dude, that was massive. Oh yeah, big, really big.
How big?
I think 70s maybe, plus. I saw the back of it, seemed pretty big. Yeah, he's like 70s. Hang on, how big is he? Nah, he's like high 60s. He's not quite 70. He's definitely the biggest one, but you bastard. Nearly got him. Come here, bud. Yeah, he's a good one. Whew. Hook put right out. Covered in water. Whew. There you go, guys. That's a nice little fat fish. He's probably like a mid high 60s. How good's that? I'm so happy to be back out. These fish I've missed so much. That's such a beautiful thing to see. How good's that? So sick. Just amazing fish. Off he goes. Oh, Jesus. That was a good fish. Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Jesus. That didn't last long. Hit the water and got annihilated. Oh shit. Are you alright? I got that on camera.
What?
I got that on camera. You alright?
Yeah, true.
Come on. Oh, well. I didn't even realise I was on. It is little fish, but yep, he got him. Oh, dang it. Damn fish. Still like the top water. Got him. Little bubbers. Little baby. Little baby. Fucking dickhead, what are you doing? Alright, there we go. Another nice little cod. Off he goes. Oh, that was big. Jesus. Damn fish. Oh, Jesus. Stupid fish. Stupid fish. Stupid fish. That's a stupid fish, Aiden. That is a stupid fish. That was stupid. There we go. Little guy. Off he goes. How cool is that?